Welcome to Soft Tech. Today we will be just doing a Vlan project. This is to ensure the confidentiality, the secrecy of communication between within a department, within different departments. Say if you have an IT shell, an IT department within a company, then this VLAN ensures that this communication is restricted within the IT department. If you have this accounts department, then this VLAN ensures that the communication is within the fold of accounts, the accounts department. If it's an R&D department, this VLAN ensures that the communication is taking place within the R&D department. To maintain the secrecy of communication, the confidentiality of communication, this VLAN is very important. The project will be somewhat like this as shown on the screen. We will be doing a fresh demonstration instead of relying on this. This one I just created, but for enlightening you, for making you people understand, I'll be just setting up a new network. So let's start. I have chosen this 295024 switch. I'll just box it and I'll just fill it with color to make it a bit more attractive. Let's see how it turns out. Just box it. And then what I will do is select some PCs. Put them in proper order to make them look good. Then I'll box it. Let's fill it with some other color. This one, for example, you can choose any color you like. And just delete this spot using this backspace that is there. Let's have some more boxes, some more PCs. Over here, okay, over here one more, and then let's have some more PCs. PC4, PC5, PC6, PC7. Let's name these departments. Let this be the IT department, VLAN 2, IT, then VLAN 3, say sales, Then two more to go, two more boxes, two more departments we will be setting up over here. Let it be, let's have some more PCs. PC8, PC9, PC10, and then PC11. Let's put them in their proper places. Let this department be VLAN 4, and the department be R&D or any other department, any other name you like. And then let's have one more department. I want to just resize this box a bit so that the view is not obscured. One more department to go. The color be, okay, let's try this one. This is green, but it should not look that identical with the switch box. So let it be like this. We'll have 4 more PCs. PC12, PC13, PC14, and then PC15. So let this department be what? The headquarters, VLAN 5, HQ 2, 3. This is what? VLAN 4, and that is VLAN 5. So we are done with setting up the headquarters. Now what we'll do is just go to the switch and then CLI, enter, enable, conf key. Then let's name these departments over here. VLAN 2, that is name IT. Then VLAN 3, the name is what? I just forgot. VLAN 3 is sales, name sales. Then VLAN 4, that is what? VLAN 4 is R&D, name R&D. VLAN 5, that is name HQ, the headquarters. Okay. So we are now done with naming these departments. What we'll do is now we'll just connect these terminals with the fast Ethernet cable, copper straight through wire, switch 0 to PC 0, switch 0 to that is PC 1, switch 0 to PC 2. That was fast Ethernet 01. This is 02. So we'll just connecting these terminals with the switches serially. PC2, that is fast Ethernet 03, then fast Ethernet 04, then comes PC4. What is PC4? We'll connect with, this will be fast Ethernet 05, then fast Ethernet 06, then fast Ethernet 07. Okay, I just made a mistake, but let it be. After 4 we should have just connected PC5, then PC7, PC8, then PC9, then PC10, then PC11, then PC12, then comes PC13, then comes PC14, then comes PC15. So we are done with connecting these terminals and the switches. Now what we need to do is configure these terminals. Okay, let's go to desktop, IP configuration, 192.168.10.1. This is just an example. 10.1. Then we'll just configure these PCs in a serial manner. 10.1, then comes what? 10.2, 192.168.10.2. The default subnet mask is just the same. It's 255.255.255.0. It's the same for the entire network. Then comes PC2. .192. I should have copied the address. 2.168.10.3 for PC2. I'll copy this one. Then PC3, it will be 192.168.10.4. The subnet mask will be just the same. We are done with configuring up till PC3. Now PC4, where is PC4? PC4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 192.168.10.5. PC5 will be 192.168.10.6. This will be 192.168.10.7. Remember, we are configuring these PCs in a serial manner. We are giving serial IP addresses. We started with 192.168.10.1. PC7 will be 10.8. Then PC8 will be 10.9. 10.9. PC9 will be 192.168.10.10. The subnet mask is just the same. PC10 will be 192.168.10.11. PC11 will be 192.168.10.12. The subnet mask will be just the same. PC11, then PC12. PC12 will be 192.168.10.13. Subnet mask will be just the same. PC13 will be 192. I have copied it, so just make the last digit change. PC13. Now PC14 will be 192.168.10.15. Then the subnet mask. PC15 will be, we guess, 192.168.10.16. So we are done with configuring all the desktops. So what we will do next? Let's take a break.